Hello class 8 kids, you all are again welcome in your general knowledge class. I hope you all are doing good. Greetings from my side. So today we are going to study chapter number 16, that is Picture the Place. Let us have some exploring a few famous cities in the world. Read the clues and solve the picture puzzles to find the name of the city. Number 1 is your clue. It has a name which means lion city in Sanskrit. It is sovereign city state and island city state in Southeast Asia. So here upside you can see there's clue is given to you, and here let's read the clue. So it is one of the only 3 surviving cities in the world with its national anthem scripted behind every dollar 1000 note. So answer number 1 will be your, let us see from the help box. It is your third one. It is Singapore. What it is? It is Singapore. Okay, here you can see here a girl is singing. So जो singing से बच्चों आपका कट गया सिंगा, और यहाँ आप देख सकते हो एक ब्रेड है जो जिसमें पोर्स है, तो सिंगापुर, सिंग प्लस ए प्लस पोर, सिंगापुर। है ना कितना इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर। चलिए इसी तरह से सॉल्व करते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को। Also called city of mosques, it is only city in the world that is half in Asia and half in Europe. So what is it is? So what is this, dear learner? Now here you can see eye is there, someone is standing, then we have bulb. Now let us see the options, then we will be easily able to find out the answer. So here we have the helping box. So the answer will be your Istanbul. What it is? Istanbul. Now here we can see how we can figure out the picture. Istan, then we have bull. So Istanbul. Then we have the third one. Here we have grasses and cow. So name after Moskva River, this city has one of the largest number of billionaires in the world, and a famous church which looks much like colorful Candyland. Also famous here is the red square of Fire Square. So this answer will be your, we have answer Moscow. Here we can see, here we have some grasses, masses, then we have cow. So Moscow. Okay, then we have the fourth one. Here we can see the t-shirt, there we have a spoon. Now let us find out. Also called a Big Apple. It has a spectacular Broadway shows to iconic shop, museums, art. It is no surprise that this busy modern city is top in North America when it comes to international travel. So what it is? Now let us find out through the helping box. The answer will be your eighth one, New York. So how we can find out New York? Here you can see the shirt is new, then we have fork. So New York. Okay, then we have the fifth one. Here you can see some grasslands are there. Then we have K plus S. Clues क्या है बच्चों? Famous for internationally renowned art, cuisine, music, architecture, and famous. This city has something to offer to any traveler. So the answer number 5 will be your Paris. What it is? It is Paris. Here you can see. Okay. So it is written park. So we are going to minus K from the park. So it is P-A-R. Then we have I-S, Paris. Wow, the chapter is quite interesting. Then we have the sixth one. Here we have lion minus I, which means L-I-O. Then what we have? It is donkey. Then we have key. Okay, so the spelling, let us make this like this. We have L, then we have I-O-N. And what is written? We have to minus I here. So L-O-N. Then we have D minus key. So London. I think that it is London. with rich historical background as well as unique landmarks such as Houses of Parliament, Big Ben and Buckingham Palace. The city has both modern and vintage feel to offer. Now let us see the answer. So here we have the answer number 6. It is your London. देखा बच्चों कितना इजी है ना ट्रिक को सॉल्व करना. चलिए अब हम देखते हैं 7th वन. हेयर इज बैंगल. सो बैंगल में हमें क्या माइनस करना है? एल ई माइनस करना है. सपोज बैंगल की स्पेलिंग है BANGLE. ओके, सो वी हैव टू माइनस LNE. सो LNE हम माइनस कर देंगे. हम क्या ऐड करना है? हमें के ऐड करना है और प्लस हमें बुक लिखना है. क्या लिखना है? बुक. लेकिन अब हमें बुक में से क्या माइनस करना है? बुक में से माइनस करना है BO. तो BO माइनस जब हम कर देंगे तो ये क्या बन गया बच्चों? आंसर बन गया आपका Bangkok. This Southeast Asian city has delicious, richly spicy cuisine, iconic Buddhist temple and royal places. Next we have, here you can see some pie squares are given to you, and here we have rice. So we have to minus R from I. So here we have this one. And here, now let us find out through the options given us. It is your 4th one. It is your Venice. What it is? It is your Venice. Okay, so it is Venn diagram. Venice. Venn diagram plus IC Venice. Next we have 9th one. This South African city was discovered by the Dutch East India Company that arrived to set up a halfway point for ships traveling to the east. The Castle of Good Hope. Here is the oldest colonial building in South Africa. Here we have something red in color. Here we have clown. So we have to we have to add CL is equal to T. So here CL is equal to T. So it is your town, TOWN. Town. Now here we have something red. Now let us see in the options. So answer number 9 will be your Cape Town. Here we have Cape. Okay, this particular man is wearing a cape. इस आदमी ने cape पहन रखा है तो ये हो गया आपका Cape Town. Then we have the 10th one. This magical city in the Catalonia region, expansive beaches, never-ending caves, and Antoni Gaudi's imaginative architecture inspired by the amazing rock formation of Mount Sterot mountain. So answer number 10th will be your 11th one. It is Barcelona. Dear learner, remaining 2 you have to practice it by your own. Here you can see what is given. A perfect clue is given to you. You have to use your brain more and you have to find out the answer from the helping box. Okay, dear learner, so we have completed this chapter. We are going to see you in another general knowledge class. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and have a nice day.